If you want to be the life of the party, of the pool party this summer season, you need to get this one. This is a 2-in-1 inflatable game set, toy set, I want to say. But the good thing about this one is this is massive. It's a 10 feet long, so that's actually really good. You need to plan ahead. My pool is not that big, but we're gonna try it anyways. And if not, I'm gonna just take it to my neighbor's pool, which is massive, because this thing seems to be pretty big. But it also comes with two games actually. It comes with a volleyball and a basketball, because it comes with a kind of like a hula hoop, I wanna say. So let's actually take it out of the box. Let's inflate it with an electric air pump. I think it's gonna be better if you have an electric air pump. You also can have those manual ones. I think that's also good, but an electric air pump is gonna be much better and easier for sure. So let's take it out of the box and see how that goes from there. So this is so you can take a look to the actual size. So I want to say that I thought it was, yeah, that's okay. That's 125. So it's going to be like 10.5 foot long, I think so. And you have the measurements for the other things. It comes with the net, it comes with the balls, it comes with the hula hoop. So I think that's pretty good. So you have the whole set here, you have the extended and inflated volleyball net right here. And by the way, setting up the net is super easy. You just follow the instruction manual that comes with the pack. So you're not gonna have any issues. You can hook one here, one in the middle. I don't think that the middle one is necessary, but you can do it if you want. And by the way, it comes with weighted bags. So right here, you're gonna see that it has two hooks, one here and one on the other side. So it comes with ropes and actually a spare net as well. So you can actually use these plastic bags to fill them with water and kind of like letting sink to the bottom. So this thing moves not too much with the wind, just a tiny little bit. So I like this one for sure. You have the hula hoop and the two balls as well. Let's actually get it out in the pool. So you can see how big that thing is. It's actually really big. I was not expecting it to be that big for sure. I'm not gonna get in the pool right now because it's still kind of cold, but I know that this thing is gonna be my must-have for having fun with friends and family. This thing, again, is massive, super easy to assemble, and you have two games in one, which I think is super cool. But again, I think that having the weighted bags is a must-have because this thing moves a little bit more than I expected with the wind and with the waves as well. So I think that them adding the weighted bags is a really nice thing for sure. And I was saying before, these two balls, they're super nice and easy to use. I like this one. I'm gonna use it so much this summer with friends, family, adult, kids, or things like that. And it has the American flag theme, which is gonna be super convenient for those festivity days. I like it. I do recommend both of this. Super nice and easy to use, easy to assemble, and then you can fold it back and take it to other friends and family pools and have fun with everyone. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.